A lot of my friends say that they can't start bullet journal because they can't draw or that they are not creative. This is where they are super wrong. Bullet journal is not a colouring pad lah, yo. This is the misconception about bullet journal, that you have to create the fancy layout, colourful setup to bullet journal. Well, actually, no thanks to these YouTubers online these days. Hashtag bullet journal community, which includes Amanda Rachley, the queen of YouTube sensation bullet journal, is also one of them. Her layout, she drew animation and she drew anime theme, fancy layout that I also malas want to recreate. So you will feel intimidated because of that. But really, you don't need all this. Ryder Caroll, the original creator of these bullet journal methods, he actually designed this system in Bullet's Point. Therefore, the name bullet journal. All you need is a journal, a pen to write a header and a few bullet points. That's it. Well, you actually don't even need a code page like this. But for me, well, I have to admit that I'm always extra. So this is the way I like to do my bullet journal because it is one of the ways for me to express myself creatively. So my life can be quite dry. So this is my safe place to create beautiful messes and also dump all my neurotic needs in this bullet journal. A bullet journal is actually a system to track and organize your brain. Bullet journal has to serve you for whatever purpose, goals that you have for yourself. You can choose to express creatively in your own bullet journal if you want to, but you absolutely don't have to. And this is how my bullet journal serves me. It is a place for me to jot down everything in my mind. Tasks lah, schedule, appointment, grocery list, birthday list, all the lists in the world. It is also a place for me to journal, a place for me to plan my life. A place to track my budget, my expenditure tracker, my habit tracker that I want to build, my surgery log, and meal plan as well. I'm a very visual kind of person, so if you're like me, I find writing down and being able to see my monthly goal every month serves me very well. Let me share my personal achievement from starting this bullet journal, and not from a career perspective, but rather from a life self-improvement point of view. One of the most useful things about bullet journal that I personally like to apply every single month, the tracker. Yes, the tracker. So to be honest, my financial credit was not great. So after I started tracking my monthly finance, I realized that, oh my goodness, I have been spending a lot on my credit card, on expenditure, food, online shopping every month. Then I began to change my financial habit. I eliminate unnecessary items from my shopping cart. And then I started an expenditure tracker to track all my spending. I even started a grocery budget tracker to track my budget grocery, as well as starting a monthly saving tracker to force myself to save. Well, it is not easy and it is not an overnight accomplishment, but it feels so good to be able to clear my credit every month now. And in turn, that brings some confidence to me being able to clear my debt that is reflected in my work attitude. So when my work and my finance is good, it makes me much more of a calm mommy at home, and therefore fewer arguments in the marriage. Change and improvement in one area of your life will positively affect another aspect of your life, creating this very beautiful domino impact in your life. So you can start with your most annoying pain. For me, it was my personal finance, and I'm very glad that I did. You may not use bullet journal the way that I do, but I am sure that there is a place for bullet journal in your life. And once you get this system working for you, you will have time for other things that bring much more joy and fulfillment to you. Like everything else, consistent is the key, and practice makes perfect. As long as you trust the process, You will get there. And I will be here cheering on for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.